In this video, we'll show you how to repair a Wolverine ND Fluid Module. To accomplish this safely and efficiently, have the following tools on hand. To start, we will disconnect the fluid module from the drive shaft. Follow the pressure relief procedure as written in the instruction manual before removing or replacing the fluid module. Loosen the dust cover and slide it toward the drive housing to expose the packing nut. Use a hex key to loosen but not remove the packing nut. Loosen the 3 set screws from the drive cylinder and remove the fluid cylinder. Place the 2 7/32 hex keys in the holes on the cam until the key is toward the fluid module being repaired. Carefully remove the plunger from the drive shaft. Next, we will repair the fluid module. Use a 3/16 hex key to remove the packing nut assembly from the fluid cylinder. Use a socket or flat punch to press out the packing assembly. Replace each pair of packings and bearings. Inspect spacers and replace if necessary. Lubricate prior to reassembly. Replace the O-ring and backup O-ring on the outside of the packing nut. Lubricate both prior to reassembly. Always replace these O-rings as a pair. Return the packing nut assembly into the fluid cylinder. Tighten by hand and back off half of a turn once hand tight to prevent damage to the packing during reassembly. Lastly, we will reconnect the fluid module. Reconnect the fluid module plunger to the drive shaft. While guiding the plunger back into the fluid cylinder, guide the fluid cylinder into the drive cylinder. Apply thread lock to the 3 set screws and use a 3/16 hex key to tighten them to restrain the fluid cylinder to the drive cylinder. Torque the set screws to 15 to 20 inch-pounds. Verify the set screws are in the groove of the drive cylinder. Tighten the packing nut assembly to hand tight, plus an additional 1/16 turn. Cover the packing nut by threading the dust cover onto the drive cylinder. Your pump is now ready to be put back into service. Once the fluid lines are reconnected to the module and power has been restored, tighten the packing nut as necessary to seal the fluid module plunger. Refer to your manual for additional information before starting your pump. To ensure seal and pump performance, Graco recommends establishing a yearly rebuild schedule to conduct preventative maintenance and ensure optimal pump life.